Solid. Rising.
One sword keeps another in the sheath. Sometimes the threat of violence alone is a deterrent. Sometimes by taking a life, others can be preserved. It's the code the samurai lived by.
I must admit, I once thought of groups like yours as opportunists, enablers of war. But you've trained our new army well.
Well, you know how fast the tech's been spreading these last few years. That CNT muscle fiber packs the power of a jackhammer into every limb. What enterprising soldier of fortune could resist?
Yes, enemy cyborgs should have plenty of electrolytes once you extract their fluids.
Who is he?
A cyborg.
One of our competitors?
Exif comes up unaffiliated.
Take him out, Raiden!
Roger that. Let's have some fun.
You deny your weapon its purpose. It yearns to bathe in the blood of your enemies, but you hold it back.
My sword is a tool of justice.
Well, here's what happens when you bring a tool to a sword fight. Admit you're a killer.
My normal. It's my nature.
I think it's time for Jack to let her rip!